Here it is, guys. Two-box break 2017-18 Hit Parade autographed hockey jersey. This is going to be two-banger number 209. Let's go. All right, Will L down to Lewis R. Let's copy and paste it in here. This, guys. Good luck. The roll is 30 names and teams 7 times each. All right, Will L to Cynthia O. All right, let's do teams next. All right, Ducks here to the Jets. All right, guys, Wild to the Kings. Let me screenshot this so you guys can make trades, all that good stuff. Any trades, guys? Any trades here? YouTube or Breakers? Just making sure. All right, let's see. Everybody's good. All right, here we go, everybody. Good luck. Check out the 2 jerseys here. Check out the 2 jerseys, man. $49 of 100. Oh. It's an AJ's number 15. And it is, ooh, is that Ryan? Check that out. Getzliff right there. That's freaking sweet. AJ, I think it's, yeah, it's a Reebok. Hold on. Get that card out of the way. There we go. Yeah, you're right, Doc. Almost, man. Almost, buddy. I think we've had one of his before. Got the AJ cert on there. Got the nice auto. Let me see who that one goes to. It's almost got the crunch down, man. Almost got the crunch down. Yeah, Ducks on him, man. Yep. Let me see. Well, I didn't know that was a 49 cash jersey. That's all right. Let me see. That is the Ducks. That is Gary C. coming out to you, Gary C. Gary C. Mark, it's been a while, but yes, I have. Yes. It's been a minute, though, buddy. Gary C. All right, here's our next one. '92 of 100. I'll see if I can dial it up for you, brother. Here's our next one. Dun, dun, dun. There's the COA. Check that out. Right there. Oh, man. Wow, another one. That's unbelievable. I can't believe we pulled another PK. I'm really about to quit. That's our second one of the weekend. That's our second one of the weekend. Another PK. Dang. God, I love it, man. It's a jeez. Let me see. Who's got the Hawks? Who's got the Hawks? That is Eric F. Eric F. Very nice. Patrick Kane coming at you. Nice hit, bro. Gotta love those. So let's do a case. That's 2 jersey break, guys. 209. Let's save that for YouTube.